Hey guys, today I'm here to solve this question of probability, which is very important, and that will clear your all concepts about the combinations and permutations. So don't miss this video and must watch this video from starting to end. So let's start the lecture. So problem is here, a club consists of 15 members. So here total members are n is equal to 15. This is the first step. And next here, in how many ways can the first step is here the three officers. There are three officers, president. This is the sequence. Check the sequence. First of all, you check the sequence. Must remember that permutation. Must remember that permutation is always ordered. Permutation is always in sequence in order. So here you can check that there are three officers. One is president, next is vice president, and next is secretary treasurer. So here are the sequence. One is president. You can check that. One is president, one is vice president, and one is secretary. This is the order. So must remember that in any question where you have fixed the order, we will always apply the permutation. I hope that you have cleared the point. So here we will apply the formula here R, and here this R be chosen. You already know that R is used for chosen word, or you can say that for selected words. So here R is given here, three officers be chosen. So here R will be here 3. That's it. Now I'm going to apply the formula NPR. So that formula is very simple. NPR 15 here 15P3. So here we can put the formula 15 factorial divided by bracket 15 minus 3 factorial. That's it. And I'm going to open that 15 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 12 factorial divided by 15 minus 3 will be here 12 factorial. 12 factorial will be cancelled, and after the multiply we will get here 2730 is the right answer of this first question. I hope that you have cleared the point about that. And next I'm going to move the second part. Second part is very important. So don't miss this video, must watch. Here a committee of 3 members be selected. In this section, we have not described about the any order, any sequence. So we will always apply in, this is the first part. We will always apply in second part, combination. Because combination is not ordered, or must remember that, combination. Combination. We're going to apply the here combination. You know that NCR. NCR, you already know that the question is here 15 and will be here, and R here a committee of 3 members be selected. So here R is also will be 3 and N is 15. Right here 15 C3 will be equal to 15 factorial bracket 3 factorial bracket 15 minus 3 factorial. That's it. Now I'm going to put that 15 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 12 factorial. That's it, just like before. We will get here 3 factorial will be as it is, and like 15 minus 3 will be a 12 factorial. 12 factorial, 12 factorial will be cancelled. We're going to put here 3 factorial is equal to you know that 3 factorial is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied, we will get here 6. By solving that, we will get here 455. So 455 is the right answer of this question of combination. I hope that is a clear point. And must remember that the formula of NPR is always equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. And the combination formula is very simple. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. Thanks for watching this video. Also share this lecture with your classmates and friends so that they also have a benefit of it. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and must press bell icon button to get the notified of new lesson, and also visit the playlist of this channel to learn more and more about the probability and statistics with concepts and real life examples. Goodbye.